Hey guys, this is Heath at Warp Drive Toys. I thought I'd make this quick video for you. This is for a lot of people who are out there collecting. I know they get a lot of complaints. People don't know how to ship properly. I know a lot of people that order from Amazon throw fits about this all the time because they get their product and it's destroyed when they get it. So I thought I'd run a quick run through. We have a 96% success rate with the way we ship, especially a lot of action figures, things of that nature. So in this particular case, we're shipping a Black Series 6-inch 40th anniversary Han Solo figure. The first thing we always do, we bubble wrap every action figure. I don't care what it is going out the door, it gets bubble wrapped. And one of the other important things we feel is selecting the right box, because you get a box that's too small, I guarantee you the post office is gonna crush it. FedEx is gonna throw it across the room, and UPS probably drive it over with a fork truck. Now, it's being a little extreme, but it has happened. But we always, for our action figures, we typically ship in a 12 by 9 by 6 box, which allows for quite a bit of protection. And want to make sure and just give it a good tape job, you know. Once across the side, once across the end, and it's good to go. So the action figure, we always put in first. Get it in a nice, good corner section here. And we like to use recycled paper as much as possible. A lot of the stuff that we get in from our suppliers when we order something in, we'll save it, you know, save every bit of cardboard or whatever we can, just to kind of help the planet as much as possible. I mean, we all got to do our part to do that. So I always layer the edges of the action figure like this, and then another section like this. So this pretty much blocks in the action figure. It's not going anywhere. And then we'll come back with additional packing material. And we want to get it to where it's not going to move around inside the box. So I know a lot of people, this is pretty generic. Most people know this, but you know, there's a lot of people out there that we even get return shipments back in, and they just throw it in the box and it gets here and it's destroyed. So we end up having to charge them a restocking fee just because they can't ship the properly back, which costs them money, costs us money. And the more money we can save in the beginning by shipping a nice, good, clean product, the better we are. So, and then of course we always add in our receipts and then a business card for us. In our case, we do the QR codes for our website and our Facebook site. That way our customers can continue to follow us. So get our box all taken care of, give it another round of end-to-end tape, one across the top, and then we just secure the label on. So that's all there is to it. But as you can see, I got several shipments going out now. Every one of them is packaged just about the same, whether it be from the Thunderbolt here to a classic Star Wars blaster cannon for an X-Wing. You know, we want to make sure the customer gets what he orders and that it comes in good condition. So this is a new channel for us. We're going to start doing some helpful videos. And if you would, give us a like and a subscribe. And then I think you hit the little alarm button there for any new notifications. So this is Heath at warpdrivetoys.com. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a holler. If you have anything you need taken care of, let us know. And until then, be safe.